Hi, I'm excited to tell you about our groundbreaking 120-watt automotive reference design, suitable for 800-volt vehicle systems. It's a power supply that features an advanced planar transformer and our InnoSwitch3-AQ. This reference design, the DR1054Q, is intended for applications such as µDCDC converters and 12-volt battery replacements. In EVs with 12-volt architectures, the auxiliary power module usually takes power from the high-voltage battery and supplies it to the 12-volt system. During light load scenarios, the auxiliary power module will get very inefficient, efficiency dropping to as low as 50%. With the µDCDC, instead of 50%, we deliver over 90% of efficiency, which significantly improves the overall system performance. Another exciting application for µDCDC converters is within the HV battery pack itself. This is to make it autonomous, as well as acting as an emergency power source for critical functions like communications and driving assistance. The foundation of this µDCDC design is our InnoSwitch3-AQ, utilizing our InSOP T28 package. It sits, same as the transformer, directly across the isolation barrier, and it features our own flux link technology, 1700-volt silicon carbide switch, and reinforced isolation. It also has an ultra-wide input voltage range, high output voltage accuracy, and low no-load consumption to optimize energy use even further. With multiple built-in protection mechanisms, this design is optimized for maximum safety and performance to meet the demand of the automotive environment. And as mentioned, this board has a planar transformer. With this design, we have achieved a major reduction in height. The transformer is no longer a limiting factor when it comes to space optimization for the enclosure. And on top of all this, when using a planar transformer, you get full control over the entire process. Unlike with a discrete transformer, there's no longer a need to outsource its production. Here we have the efficiency across line at full load. As you can see, over the complete input voltage range, this design achieves a constant efficiency of greater than 91%. To sum it up, this 120-watt ultra-low profile design combines exceptional performance with proven reliability, delivering all the essential advantages of our InnoSwitch3-AQ for automotive systems. What makes all of this truly special, we are by your side, ready to help. So if you would like to try this reference design, please contact your local Power Integrations FAE or sales office for an evaluation kit. And for more information about our InnoSwitch3-AQ, please visit power.com.